watch the video to see what I'm giving away. But everybody is involved in this giveaway. Wherever you are in the world, I think. Because it'll be coming out of the UK. So keep your ears peeled if you want to be involved in this giveaway. And this is especially for my friend English guy over on ELR. I've got a giveaway for you, English guy, that you can be involved in. So, Ramalama Ding Dong, just keep a watching. The Aries by Innokin and Busardo and his buddy, the Vaping Greek or some such thing. It's a nice little mouth to lung gear, you guys. This makes me laugh. They got their face on here. I mean, why not? We all got an ego to satisfy. These instructions are awesome. This is what we should always get. It doesn't matter what language it's in because I can follow the pictures. Or you can watch my video. I mean, that's the way I would do it if I were you. Okay, now check this out. Let me tell you something about this. I like it. It's easy to build on. It's got some pretty decent airflow and whatnot. But flavor-wise, it's got nothing on the Brunhilde. This thing is awesome. The flavor on the Brunhilde is just spectacular. It's top-notch, my friends. Now, for the giveaway. Giveaway time, my friends. Everybody is welcome in this giveaway. All you have to do is leave a comment. What the heck? What's happening? Yeah. Leave a comment saying that you want to be in the giveaway. That's all you gotta do. You don't have to join my channel. You don't have to leave likes. That would be awesome if you did those things, but you don't have to. Okay. Superior Wicks. Here's the web page right there. But I'm not sure if it even works anymore. I had to get to them through Facebook last time. He's still selling. It's just that I don't know. I hope that he continues to always sell this, because the last company that I found this type of wicking, it's Supima Cotton. The last company, they went out of business. Broke my damn heart. These guys, though, it's really good wick. I vape warm, hot. I like a hot vape, okay? And unfortunately, the Cogen dough, it don't last. I burn it out in the middle every time. And this other crap, this stuff, it mutes and it's horrible. This is crap. So is this. And I tried the this too. This sucks too. A friend of mine from ELR, Deer Slayer by his handle, sent me some rayon, and I liked that. But like I said, I like to vape hot, and it doesn't do that well with hot vape either. Anywho, yeah, that's my story and I'm sticking to it. I do want to try hemp though. That's my next one. I'm going to give hemp a try. Here's another one. These guys are actually pretty good too, if you want to try them out. Cottonman.com. This guy is a cotton farmer. And yeah, which I think is super cool. And he makes pretty good cotton. The only problem I have with this is the break-in. It has quite a break-in. And it takes at least a tank. Okay, right here, the Blotto. It would take that whole tank to break in. And in the meantime, it tastes wretched. But once it breaks in, it's awesome. The flavor's spectacular, and it lasts a long time. But that break-in period, oh God, no. Anywho, it's my story and I'm sticking to it, my friends. The Aries by Innokin and Busardo and Demitri. It's pretty neat. You get some smoked glass with it, which I thought was cool. You get wire, a couple of decent coils, and cotton too. Extra O-rings, different colors, a screwdriver, and look at that. That's like a socket almost. So I like that. There's that. I don't know what that does. There's a hole there. I don't know what that does. But you get a couple winding tools too. One for spaced coil and one for not. I don't really like it. It's too small. I don't like it. These tools, but they're there. What I do like about it is, for beginners, it's perfect for beginners, especially if you're going to do a round coil build, which I don't. I use fused Claptons. As a matter of fact, what I got in here is two 30 gauge core wrapped with 40 gauge. Alright, Danny Man signing out. Peace. Stick around if you want to see me build the Aries. Okay, here we go. Let's try it again, my friends. Now, unfortunately, I can't look at the computer to do it because my camera's in a real funny spot. Okay, so I've got a 30 gauge dual core wrapped with 40 gauge and then twisted fused Clapton.
try again. Alright, we got this one in. Normally it'll fall right in, but I can't see, and I'm having a real pain in the butt doing this. I just can't see it. Parking spider. Alright, let's see what the ohms are, shall we? 0.94, that's perfect. That's good right there, 0.94. Alright, let's trim. Now let's look at this deca some, shall we? It's not bad. I feel like the threads here are cheap. That the deck is made out of cheap metal. But I could be wrong. It could be that I'm just a crabby bastard today. We gotta make sure it's up off of that. And also, this ain't in very well right there. So I want to redo that. Oh. There we go. That's better. Those are some really fat screw heads, man. I like them. See, now that one's up too, which I don't like. You see how that's... You see that right there? Yeah, I don't like it. Yeah, I certainly don't. But I don't think it's going to be an issue. See if I can bend it while it's right there. Yeah, I can. Alright, I bent it. Let's see if I can get it in there better. There we go. Okay. Alright. It's not bad then. Still at 0.94. Let's go ahead and pulse our coil. And because it's spaced, it will be perfect. I won't have any hot spots to rub out. See that? Bam. I'm actually looking forward to vaping on this now. Alright, let's see. Now this will be easy to wick, but it's still an RTA, and that means it'll still be somewhat fiddly. For instance, if it's too thick in the middle right there, or too thin even, it won't wick right, and you'll get dry hits. You want to try to refrain from touching your cotton or putting it down where it's dirty, because you'll pick up odors and particles in your cotton and then in your vape, and you just don't want that. Okay, now notice that I have it actually quite perfect right now. I can pull it on its own without deforming it, and that's actually good. This is the craziest camera angle. I just don't like it. Now let's we're gonna vape this. I want to compare this to, this is the same liquid that I have in my Brunhilde, and I want to compare the flavor, because that Brunhilde's flavor is on point, like super on point. Now I'm teaching my cotton the how to wick. See it wicking? Now that's pretty good, and I don't have to keep going with it. Now I can either trim this a little more or leave it like that. A lot of people like to trim it so that it's up here, because they say that this takes up space, and I suppose it does, but I kind of like having mine down there. I like to be able to see it. Anywho, yeah, that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. You see how it's wicked? Yeah, that's how you do it, my friends. Okay, that feels okay. Okay, that feels okay. Push to fill. Nice, I like that. Look at that. Filled right. Oh, did you guys miss that? Damn it. Filled right up. I don't have to do anything else. No twisting or turning. I really like that. I dislike having to take this off and then put it somewhere, and then fill it, and then go and find it and put it back on. Yeah. Okay, man. Now, which drip tip shall we use? I think this one. The Aries by Innokin and Phil Busardo and Demitri. Nice, man. Let's hit it. Nice. Okay, that was with all of the holes. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was with all of them wide open. Not a bad restricted lung hit there. But I've got too much nick for that. I don't want to keep hitting this either, because, yeah, I don't want to get nick sick. Okay, now we went down one. We're going to drop it down another one. That's better. Drop it down another. Nice, nice and smooth. Man, this is a nice RTA, you guys. There we go, single hole wide open, just one, the big one. That's pretty good, man. And it's smooth. It vapes very smoothly. Next one down. Still nice. Next one. And we already did that one little one, but we'll do it again. The Aries, man. For $3. That's probably one of the best buys I've made this year. Wished I'd have bought more than one. And man signing out. Peace.